My name is Ruiz Angulo. I work at the University of Iceland as an associate professor, and I am here as part of ROCS working on hydrographic and ocean circulation problems. The water masses that form around Iceland or that run around Iceland are very important. Like Iceland actually has some water masses that come from the south, from the tropics up north, and warm it up enough so that it's livable in at these latitudes. And we also have on the north some water masses that are forming, that sink and flow around in deep level layers around Iceland, and all these waters have like great implications both in like capturing CO2, or what are they transporting, heat transport, and also nutrients, and all these variables are very important. And so recently there's some evidence that in the upper layers of the ocean there have been some changes, and those changes we really have to estimate them and figure out how much are those changes gonna have an impact in our climate. And unfortunately in ocean sciences we don't have too much data of it. Like our recent records, they could go not even 100 years ago, so we really need to keep acquiring data so that eventually in the future we could tell what are the changes and how much are those changing gonna, or what are the implications of those changes in climate and nutrients, and how the diversity of life is changing around not only Iceland but around the world. But as I said, like Iceland is located in this place that unique for all these water mass formations that actually could give a good proxy of what is going on in the rest of the world, or at least the northern hemisphere. A CTD is one of the main instruments that we use in ocean sciences, and is called the workhorse of ocean sciences, and has been our tool for measuring the water properties in the ocean. And the reason we measure the water properties in the ocean is that actually each location has a unique signature for what the water masses are underneath. Not only the location but the region, and we could take a water sample at any given location and we could tell like which water masses are coming from the tropics for not so warmer areas, or which one actually could come from the Antarctic or from the poles, the North Poles, or like regions that are very, very cold. So in this sense, it's a very unique technique to map what are the water masses doing inside the ocean. This CTD's data is the most collected data in the world, and is the one that has helped us to understand what are the variation of these temperatures or these properties in the upper surface that I was talking about, like if there's more heat intake, or there's more fresh water on top of the surface of the ocean, or if the lower parts are getting warmer. This has been actually the tool that we use to estimate what those changes have been during this climate.